1. Use 2 pieces of MA multiply 25 round head screws to fix the left, middle, and right of K-frame together. Step 2. Use 2 pieces of M10 multiply 16 stainless steel screws to fix cab frame on car. Step 3. Put the side aluminum tube of roof on pillar. Stick a circle double-sided adhesive on front, then smear gloss cement. Step 4. Make the roof's side aluminum tube insert the left and right section of cab frame. One person hold the cab frame. Another person beat the rear end the side aluminum tube by rubber hammer. To make the side aluminum tube join with cab frame completely. Then tear off the double-sided adhesive. Step 5. Use electric jewel to open a 5/5 hole in the joint of tube and frame. Then lock a M6 multiply 40 self-taping screw. Step 6. Use electric jewel to open 5/5 hole on the 3 slugs of K-frame. Stick steering strip alongside aluminum tube of roof. Step 1. Smear a small amount of glass cement on the 3 grooves of K-frame to prevent water infiltration. Step 2. Put front part of roof with the radiant part on the front. Put the 3 bucks in the 3 slugs of K-frame. Fasten by 3 pieces of M6 multiply 40 self-taping screw. Step 3. Let the middle part of roof join with roof's forward part. Use electric jewel to open a 5/5 hole in the joint of front and middle part of roof. The 2 angles of roof should be pasty waterproof glue. Fix the roof on the side aluminum tube by aluminum rivet. Use the same way to install the rear part of roof. Except front part of roof, rear part of roof do not need to distinguish position. Use aluminum rivet appropriately. Use 3 aluminum rivets in 1 joint of roof. Step 1. Fasten 2 pieces of M10 multiply 16 stainless steel screws on the joint of cab frame and cart. Lock the middle part of cab frame with T-plate by 2 pieces of M10 multiply 16 stainless steel screws. Step 2. Put 4 pieces of screw MA inside aluminum tubes slot. Put 8 pieces of screw MA into the side slot of side aluminum tube. Adjust the position of the screw MA. Fix side aluminum tube and pillar together by MA multiply 50 screws. Step 3. Adjust the side screws position. Lock the roof's support beam with screw by MA multiply 20 round head screw. But don't fasten the screw now. Adjust the position of roof's joint lever and screw hole of roof. Use the M6 multiply 45 stainless screw to fix the roof and roof's joint lever. Then fasten all screws. The same part has same installation method. Step 1. Put the box of rear spoiler into side aluminum tube. Step 2. Fasten the rear spoiler on the rear end side aluminum tube by 2 pieces of MA multiply 20 screws. Step 3. Use one piece of self-tapping screw to fix the blanking cap of rear spoiler. Then, join with the roof's sign aluminum tube by blind rivet. Step 1. Put the upper and lower cover of dashboard into the cart. Step 2. Stick a small amount of double-sided adhesive on the edge of upper and lower cover of dashboard. Step 3. Use electric jewel to open a 5/5 hole. Fix the upper and lower cover of dashboard on cards by rivet. Step 1. Side bumper of front body has left and right part. Compare to look for a suitable position. Then open a 5/5 hole through electric jewel. Step 2. Open a 4.5 hole on the frame. Use M5 tapping. Step 3. Fasten by M5 × 20 stainless steel flathead screw with upper and lower cover of screw. The whole roof and the cab frame is stretched uniformly. No distortion.